Here is one example related to Lami's theorem that we are going to solve, and I have shown one physical body. In this, it is a steel ball which is attached to a string, and the string is fixed on the wall. The ball diameter is 300 mm, and the length of the string up to the surface of the ball is 1 meter. Then we have to determine the tension. So we are aware of the system of the force. For that, we need to convert this physical body into a simple system of forces, which is like this. I will take the point A, and the weight is here W. Okay, the weight is 200 kilonewton that we have. The wall will create a reaction to the steel ball in this direction, so I will take in tensile zones I like this R, and the tension will be occur in this string which is attached here. Now we need to know which the angle is making to the wall, this thread. For that, if this is 1000 mm and from here to here distance is 150, because the diameter of the ball is 300 mm, so the radius will be 150 mm. So the total AB will be 1150 mm. Okay, and this one will be 150 mm. So we have this side and this side. So by using the equation of cos theta, which is AC upon AB, we get the value of cos theta is equal to 150 by 1150. So theta is equal to cos inverse 150 by 1150. So let's calculate. Can see. So let's calculate the sum. 150 divided by 1150 cos inverse answer. So theta will be 82.5 degree. It means our this angle is 82.5 degree. Okay, and this will be 90. So our total angle from this force to this force is 172.5 degree, and the angle between these two will be 90 degree, and the angle from these two is, subtract this angle from 180 degree, so 180 minus 82.5, it will be 97.5 degree. So we have calculated all the angles of between the forces. Okay, now applying the Lami's theorem. As per Lami's theorem, the one force is in the division of the sine angle of the other two force. So T will be like this: T sine 90 is equal to R sine 172.5 degree and W upon sine 97.5 degree. And here we only have to determine the value of T, and we have the value of W also. So we will take the composition of these two. So T sine 90 is equal to 200 sine 97.5. By solving this, we will get the value of T, means T is equal to 200 sine 90 upon sine 97.5. So the answer will be 201.72 kilonewton. So this is the tensile force we have find out by using Lami's theorem.